Hey guys, how's it going? So we are going to go ahead and get the quad, the pit bike, the rest of our gear all loaded up right now because we are going to Riverdale. It's actually not bad outside. It said there's a 90% chance of rain, but I mean, it's not raining right now. So we'll just bring a raincoat just in case, but rain ain't stopping us today. So yeah, let's go ahead and finish getting all this stuff loaded up and figure out how we're gonna get the pit bike and the quad in there. And then I will get back to you guys. Okay guys, check it. We got the bikes all dialed in. It freaking fits perfectly. Look at that. Got the pitter, got the quad. Let's go, baby. Oh, freaking stoked. Let's get it. Okay, we got to throw the easy up, chair, and then like my fuel and stuff in the back, and we're ready. Then we just gotta wait. Let's get it. Okay guys, just got them loading up. We got the setup all dialed. Check it out. Fits freaking perfectly. Got our easy up, our chair, ramps under there, stand, bike. They literally fit in there like perfectly. Of course, we got the towel protecting the front bumper. Oh, it's freaking awesome. Let's go. Looks freaking sweet. All right, now we just gotta wait till about 11, then we're gonna head out. So yeah, I will see you guys in the truck. Okay guys, we got all our freaking gear on, and we're about to head out to the track. Things all loaded up. We might shoot with the Canon today. I don't know. We'll see. We're going to get some clips, but I don't know if they're going to be in this video just because I've never really messed with a camera, so we'll see. But yeah, let's go ahead and get on the road. All right, check out the setup. She's a little dirty, but it's pretty baller. There goes Cass and Wyatt. Now we're just waiting on Addie Schmatty, and then we're waiting on Whitney to hurry up and get here, so we'll be in the truck in a little bit. Just made it out to Riverdale. Got the bikes. Addie's over there getting geared up. Wyatt's already out on the track. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. This weather's freaking phenomenal. So let's go ahead and get geared up. You guys, about to go out for our first moto. Feeling good. Pretty nice out. Track's looking good. So let's go shred. got off the track, and as you can see, there's engine oil everywhere. Let's see if it's coming from the airbox. It is not coming from the airbox. That is good. Where the hell is it coming from? Oh, you know what? Where the freak is that coming from? This is why you need spare filters, you guys, because we can't run anymore because this filter's done. Where's the oil overflow? This thing might have had too much oil in it, and it's probably pissing out the overflow, so we gotta find that. Alright, let's see how much freaking oil's in this thing. We got the swing arm decently cleaned up. Airbox is looking minty. No oil got in the... What these clowns over here talking about? Yeah, how... What?
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 These guys are over here talking schmack. Freaking dirt bike riders, dude.
Dude, should we tell them that we fucked with the stuff?
Hey guys, well, we got the bike all sorted out. We're just letting the filter dry for a little bit. We just use a little bit of brake clean, get that all cleaned up. Let that dry. Right now we're gonna go rip the pitter. And once we get back, we'll probably put it all back together and go hit a couple more motos. I think Addie's leaving a little earlier and Gavin's leaving a little earlier, so we're gonna have to leave here earlier. But we're gonna go rip while we can, so I will see you guys out on the track. finally gonna be able to ride. Last moto of the day. We only got 3 motos in today, but whatever. I guess that's what happens when you overflow the oil. The pit bike's running like really bad too, so it's pretty unfortunate. But let's go rip. Send it off on a good note. Okay guys, just got our motos wrapped up. Solid ride besides having to do a little bit of bike work. I mean, it was my fault, but no, it was a good time for sure. It was a little muddy this last moto, so. But no, that last moto, man, I need to ride more. I'm so freaking toasted after that little bit of riding. So yeah, we definitely need to do more cardio at the gym, eat better, and figure out some training for our forearms because we're getting gnarly arm pump. Maybe I need to, I don't know. We'll figure it out. But yeah, no, we're gonna go and get everything loaded up and get out of here and head home. So I'll see you guys in the truck. Hey guys, we finally are all loaded up. It only took like an hour. I should have had a Gavin stay because I needed someone to help me get the ramp back under the quad because it hits it. So I had to untie the quad again, put it in neutral, roll my boot under it so it lifted up high enough where I could slide it in. But yeah, let's get out of here. I want to go home. We are back at the house. We're about to cook up some food real quick because I haven't eaten nothing since this morning. Pretty hungry. But no, I'm gonna try something. I wanna put ranch, spread it all over these bad boys, smack my cheese on there, smack my meat on there, throw her in the panini press. See how it tastes. I think it's gonna be good. I mean, you can't go wrong with ranch. Yeah. But we need to go hit some cardio tonight. I need to get my endurance built up. We're still having trouble staying out there more than 5 laps, so yeah, we need to hit the gym. Dang, listen to her sizzle. This thing's about to be freaking bussin'. Okay guys, I think she's done. Let's hit you guys with a real quick taste test. She's hot. Woo! She's hot. God damn. Woo! Alright, hang on. Let me get a nice juicy. Dang. That's freaking gas. Alright, we're gonna grub out real quick and I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, we just got done grubbing out, so now we're gonna go ahead and get all this crap out the bed, get everything out of the truck. Tomorrow we're gonna have to wash it all, wash my truck, clean the inside. We need to get that all done tomorrow. I would do it today, except we only have like an hour and a half left of daylight and it's gonna take me about 5 hours to do all that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this crap unloaded and then probably just chillax for a little bit and then go hit the gym. So yeah, let's get it going. Oh, scoot, scoot. Okay, you guys probably won't be able to tell, but man, this was such a hassle trying to get this quad out of the bed because this hill's like vertical. So yeah, she's posted up. Look at this. Sheesh. This thing is. Let me get up top. Look at that. We out here looking down on it. Suppose it didn't like flip. It's crazy. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing off before it does end up flipping. Got the bikes all in the garage. I have to clean these suckers up tomorrow. I really need to order, is it on this side? Yeah. I need to order the side glass that replaces right here because I hate not being able to see it and it's a pain in the butt and that's why that overflow happened. But yeah, no, pretty sweet. We also need the RP intake. Yeah, pretty baller. Okay, we're gonna probably pull the filter off, get that thing cleaned up. The reason we're not washing them today is obviously time. And then also, so my buddy Cody and them tire blocks, they have like plumbing plugs that they shove in their intakes and just like tighten it until it fits in there right. So I need to go pick one of those up tomorrow so I can shove it in there and wash like the airbox, get the rear fenders off, do all that good stuff. So I'm gonna completely strip the bike tomorrow and wash it like that. Let's go ahead and pop the seat off this bad boy. Look at that fresh filter. It's looking like no oil. Let's go. Okay. So we need to get this filter off, and then we're gonna go ahead and wash that tonight, and then we'll find that plug tomorrow so we can go ahead and wash this bike. So yeah, let's get to it. 8 feet long, snap on, flathead. This thing's honestly too big. I should have grabbed this size down. Oh yeah. Boom shack. Come on. Shaba. Let's go get this thing cleaned up. Guys, you come over here to the parts graveyard of the Yamaha. We got the filter. Came out pretty clean. I just wanted to clean it tonight so I could make sure that none of the oil would get stuck in it. And it looks like it came out pretty clean, so I think we are good on that. But yeah, no. What's that? Huh. Oh well. Probably gonna need to order another filter so we have a spare. But I know the bike is freaking dirty. We're gonna have to clean her real good tomorrow. We're probably gonna rip all the plastics off, really get in there. So, yep. We just need to run to the hardware store and pick up everything we're gonna need for washing that thing tomorrow. Hopefully our parts show up soon. I know Works Connection already shipped. Who else already shipped? Oh yeah, the radiator hoses shipped, so we can go pick up coolant here soon, and then as soon as we get those, throw those bad boys on. Things gonna look sick. But yeah, no. I think that's gonna wrap up today's video. I know this was a long one. A lot happened today. Yeah, no. Oh yeah, you guys missed it. I forgot to tell you guys. There was a gnarly road rage on my way to like Riverdale. This dump truck with a trailer, like a full-size semi dump truck, was driving down the freeway, and there was like rocks flying out of it, and like a couple hit my truck. I was like, Jesus, but you know, I wasn't gonna road rage about it. But no, this guy in this little Kia Soul, his wife's over here flipping off, screaming and yelling at the guy in the dump truck. He's just sitting there with his phone, just recording it all. Shit was hella funny. I'm riding their ass trying to get them to get out of the way so I can freaking get out of the rock zone. Yeah, no, but they continued to road rage. They pulled over and did their thing, you know. That's how people act these days. But you know, we gotta get the pitter sorted out. And the way we sort it out is we pull that motor out, sell it to someone, and buy a new motor. So might be doing that. But yeah, no. I think that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. And other than that, it's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.